Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see what are the Python tuples. So, Python tuples are the data type in Python which are used to store multiple data under single variable name just like a list, but it is different from the list in some of the characteristics. So, let's get started. Introduction to tuples. So, what are tuples? Tuples are immutable data type in Python, which means that once you have introduced a tuple, you cannot change the values inside the tuple. Which we saw that of list was the mutable data type, and you are able to change, that is, add and delete elements in the list. But in case of tuples, you cannot do that. Tuples are similar to list, but unlike list, tuples are enclosed in round brackets instead of square brackets, but the elements inside the tuple are written same as in the list. Characteristics of tuples. So, tuples can contain element of different data type just like a list. Tuples are ordered, which means that a order of a particular element is maintained in tuple as they are immutable and unchangeable. Tuples can be accessed using indexing or slicing. Tuples are commonly used for grouping related data together. For example, I am doing animation, I am creating 2D and 3D images. I can store the coordinate of those 2D and 3D figures in those tuples because the coordinates of the figures or the elements are fixed. Therefore, I can store them in the tuple. Similarly, tuples can be used in the websites where you are storing a data which cannot be changed. For example, you have a form in a website, and there is a place called phone number which you cannot change once it is entered. Or second example, in India, it is Aadhaar card, where the Aadhaar card number is different or unique for each individual, and it cannot change much easily. So, creating or modifying a tuple. Tuples are immutable data types, so they cannot be modified directly. But there is a way to modify a tuple, that is update method, which you will see in the next part of the video. So let us focus on creating a new tuple. So to create a tuple, we have to just write a name of your tuple is equal to round bracket and elements inside your tuple. So I'll teach you this in a more clear way by coding it. So to create a tuple, you must know the syntax how to create a tuple. So as I mentioned, to create a tuple, you must type your name of your tuple is equals to the elements which you want to print inside your tuple enclosed in round brackets. So let us make a tuple name tup1 is equals to round brackets. Inside that we will print Python and PHP and integer and a float number. Now let us print this tuple. Print tup1. When you run this program, you will get the output as Python PHP 90 and 9.4. You can also check the type of this by using type function. Type tup1, and when you print this program, you are getting a type of the tup1, that is variable, that is tuple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. For any of the queries you feel, please feel free to contact me in the comment section, and we will see tuple in more details in our next part of the video.